Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in once again. Today I want to share with you an unboxing reveal of something that I picked up at Nordstrom during triple points, and they did not have my size, so I had to order it. So I received it in the mail just a few days ago and I'm ready to share it with you. So if you love unboxings, keep on watching. So I've already taken it out of the mailing box, and here's the item. Not sure if you can tell by the type of box what it is, but yes, it's a pair of Chanel shoes. I had no intention of purchasing these, but when I saw them, I fell in love. So I want to share them with you. Maybe you want to pick them up. Anyhow, let's get going. So they arrived in the regular traditional Chanel box. It is black with the Chanel letters in the front, and it's got the shoe information here, which I will share with you after I show you the shoes. So let's go ahead and open them up. So let's see. Okay, the first thing that we have is my receipt, and then it has the Chanel care booklet, the 2 dust bags, and then it's got the extra pair of tips right here, and then a very nice card from Nordstrom's, which says, "We hope you love it. Thanks for shopping with us. Your new designer purchase is amazing." Oh, yes, it is. If you need to exchange or return it, please make sure it's in its original condition with all the packaging and any tags still attached. So there you go. And let's get right into this. I tell you, I tried them on at the store. They didn't have my size. They had a half a size smaller, and I love them. So, any guesses as to what kind of shoe it is? Here's one. And let me go ahead and get the other one out so that you can see them and we can talk about them. So here they are, and I'm going to kind of leave them standing here so you can get a better view, but they are black and white slingbacks. The white part is the lambskin. This is the gross grain fabric. They have the 2 CCs right here in the front. Beautiful stitching right around where the black fabric part begins. And then stitching all around the strap. The buckle is silver, and it says Chanel right here. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that. And the heel is all fabric also. So the entire shoe, really, all the black parts of the shoe are the fabric parts, and the white part is the lambskin. The heel is 100 millimeters. Let me give you a little bit of the tour of the inside of the shoe. So inside it says Chanel. It's got the CCs right here. Then here it says made in Italy. And it has the serial number for the shoe right in here. And then right here in the back of the heel, you have the size again, which is the, oh, sorry. You have the size, which is size 37, made in Italy, and then the CC again. And that's, you know, pretty much it for the shoe. Let me kind of give you, the inside is all leather, as you can see. Very, very soft leather. Yep. And I just fell in love with them. I have to be honest. I had no intention of purchasing shoes. This was not on my wish list. I didn't even know that these existed. But once I saw the black and white combination, I just fell in love with them. They are just classic, elegant, really, really beautiful shoes. Now, if you're interested in these shoes, first of all, I'm going to show you, and I will put the information down below. There is the style number, and I'll go ahead and put all that information in the comment section down below. I did go ahead and look them up on the Chanel website just to see if there was more information or if there was other color combinations, and they do have them in the beige and black combination. And let me just show you. So these are my black and beige. Oops, they're just full of fuzz. This is the black and beige slingbacks that I have, of course, with the lower chunky heel. So these are available in this color combination if you are interested. I love a black and white shoe. Absolutely love it. I think it's a timeless, classic combination. And so I really, really am happy that I got these in the black and white. I think that this just elevates any outfit. This is going to look great, whether it's an all black dress, an all black outfit, a black and white outfit. I just have a lot of ideas of what to wear these with. I do realize that I am going to have to be a little more careful because it is white, and I am very, very hard on my shoes. But, you know, I love it. I really, really love the combination, and I just have to be careful and watch myself. And I'm sure that I'll get them scratched up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you want any other information, leave me your questions. Like I said, these were not on my wish list at all. I didn't even know that they made this white and black combination in these slingbacks. I did, like I said, I tried them on at the store. They had the 36.5, and I'm a 37. So I was able to really put them on, and my heel was a little bit out, but that was it. And they were just gorgeous, gorgeous. So anyhow, yep, this is it. This is what I picked up. Thank you, as always, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.